Hello and welcome to Roblox Studios. I know it seems a little different, even though this is not a gaming video. But yeah, I'm gonna be joined by someone named Gavin Khan, and he's gonna help me with the tutorial today. And we have another person here, and we'll show off his channel later. He's gonna be recording this on his channel also, if you guys want to see it there. So today we're going to learn about the basics of Roblox Studio, like how to place blocks, how to change textures, and how to make different blocks, rotate, and scale. So let's get started. But first, let me unmute my other admins in Discord. So, boop, boop,
Hello.
boop.
Hey, Jonathan.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello. I'm not a freaking little kid. Why does it sound like a little kid?
Well, you kind
I
of
could
do.
hear you. You know that. You
I
didn't
know,
definitely.
I know. But you do sound like a child.
You sound like a child too.
Okay, so
Hello, test.
yeah, that's the guy who's gonna be also
Yeah,
recording this.
did you unmute me?
No, yeah, you're unmuted. Oh, of course. He needs. Yes. So first, let's show you guys how to actually spawn in a block. And so you click on up here, and then it says part under the home menu. So then you click that arrow that goes under it, and then you see a list of options. Today we'll just summon a basic block. There it is, right over here.
Do my intro right now.
Okay, yeah, you can do yours.
Everybody, I'm Sevev, and today,
Yeah, just mute me, so I'll just mute you.
alright,
There we go. I'll just
okay,
mute you.
uh,
Boop. Alright. Yeah, Banana Bomb's is gonna do his intro. And Gavin, is it okay if your server's in the video?
but my Discord server, yeah, I'm there.
Yeah. Alright, so we got a basic block that we just spawned in with the little block part icon. So if you want to make the block bigger, you'll see these 4 options on the top here. So if you click on one, let's do scale. Actually, let's use move first. Let's go in order. You'll see these different arrows. If you pull with the mouse on one of these arrows, it'll go in that direction. Just like every basic programming software, you can go like that. And then scale, you can make it large on all angles. I think you guys are starting to see it. Want to make it large this way, you can make it
I
large
see the
this way.
changes. Hey,
Oh,
Jonathan.
something went wrong. Boop. Oh yeah, and if another thing you can know is that if you make a mistake, you can just click Ctrl Z, just like with everything else. So, then let's go on to rotate. So we click the cup, and it pops up this very weird looking circle thing. It's not really complicated. You just click a circle, and it brings up a wheel. Then you can rotate it in the direction your mouse is in, like that. And it's like that for all of them. Let's go to the green one. The green, don't know why that keeps happening. Go on the green one, and it rotates that way. See, like that. Go on the red one, rotates that way. So that's the basics for rotating and stuff like that. And let's do something else. Let's see. If you want to change the color of an object, like how this one's just like basic gray, to do that, you click on it, go on color, and then you have a list of options of colors. Let's change it to red for now. Bright red. And then let me show you another example of colors. Like all these platforms, you can change the color of them all. So then, if you want to change the material, like those little cobblestone spheres over there, you can just click on it and go under material right here, and then you have a list of options. So that if you click bricks, it gives it a brick texture. If you click cobblestone, gives a cobblestone texture, so on, so on. If you want foil, it gives it a foil texture, just like that. If you want to delete an object, you can right click and then delete. Shortcut would be the delete on your keyboard, and I'll make that pop up on the screen. And another shortcut is Ctrl D. See, for that shortcut allows you to duplicate objects. So for example, let's spawn in an object, part, block, and then we'll make it larger. I am on rotate. I'll scale. Just scale that out. And then let's just Ctrl D. And if you're new to coding, you're going to think like, where's the other block? To see the other block, you need to click move. And then the other block's going to be inside of this one, so you got to move it out. See, now you have a nice little 2 blocks. And yeah, I think that'll be all I'll show off in this tutorial for basics. You can make a nice little obby knowing this. You can make this thing we have. And if you guys like this video, I'll show off how to make a block that kills you when you step on it. That'll be an interesting tutorial. We'll be learning about scripting and mostly just scripting and maybe texturing, stuff like that. One last thing for this tutorial is thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye!